Hello everyone, I'm Jay and welcome back to English Life. In today's lesson, I'd like to teach you how to pronounce parts of the body in English. Before we begin, please don't forget to hit the notification bell to get our latest videos. Now sit back and get ready to start saying these body parts in English today. Let's give it a try. Hair, hair, hair. Head, head, head. Eyebrow, eyebrow, eyebrow. Eye, eye, eye. Ear, ear, ear. Nose, nose, nose. Mouth, mouth, mouth. Tooth. When we say tooth, we are describing one tooth. Tooth, tooth, tooth. Teeth. When we say teeth, we are describing more than one tooth. Teeth, teeth, teeth. Chin, chin, chin. Throat, throat, throat. Neck, neck, neck. Back, back, back. Shoulder, shoulder, shoulder. Chest, chest, chest. Wrist, wrist, wrist. Arm, arm, arm. Elbow, elbow, elbow. Thumb, thumb, thumb. Hand, hand, hand. Finger. Like before, when we say finger, we're talking about one finger. Finger, finger, finger. Fingers. When we say fingers, we are describing more than one finger. Fingers, fingers, fingers. Hip. Many of my students get hip wrong here in Japan. They think hip is used to talk about their butt. Hip, hip, hip. leg, knee, 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 ankle, 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 foot. We say foot to describe one foot. Foot, foot, foot. Feet. We say feet to describe more than one foot. Feet, feet, feet. Toe. We say toe for describing one toe. Toe, toe, toe. Toes. We use the word toes to describe more than one toe. Toes, toes, toes. I have one head. I have 2 eyes. I have 10 fingers. Now it's your turn. I have 1. I have 2. I have 10. Did you find this video helpful? I upload videos every week on English pronunciation. I have some of my other videos. You can practice them here. Please don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, this is Jay signing off. See you again real soon. Goodbye.